In his current state, Sam is unable to feed himself, and therefore he is at risk for inadequate oral intake. So we've hooked him up to an enteral feeding system, which is feeding by a tube feeding, just to ensure that he gets all the food and nutrients he needs and does not become malnourished. He has a duo tube in, and this tube feeding is a continuous feeding, so he'll always be receiving the formula for 24 hours, and the tube feeding should never stop. So we had to change his formula because when a patient is sedentary or not moving a lot, it's very important not to overfeed this patient. And he's also receiving a sedentary medication called propofol, and propofol provides calories, so we just have to make sure that with that medication he's not receiving too many calories. He also needs a formula with a little bit of higher protein because he has a couple wounds and some trauma, and higher protein helps with wound healing. We are going to initiate his tube feeding at 24 milliliters per hour, and we're going to advance it by 20 milliliters every 8 hours as he tolerates it until we reach the goal rate of 64 milliliters per hour for 24 hours. I will go ahead and be following up within 48 to 72 hours just to make sure we have reached the goal rate and that Sam is responding well and doing okay. Thank you.